I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this fantastic 308 in the Allure specification. So this car has front and rear parking sensors and comes with 16-inch alloy wheels. Inside the car, the touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth connectivity. You also get dual zone air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, and there's cruise control with the speed limiter. So let's have a look around. We are happy to tailor your experience to suit your current requirements, whether that's making an appointment to view a vehicle, using our click and collect service, or taking advantage of Howard's home delivery service. We hope to hear from you soon. Thank you.